Good day to you, human. I am Kenneth Aquino, and we are going to discuss about Way Anova. And here are also the proponents of this tutorial. So here's the table for the disparity of happiness according to gender and level of income among millennials in an organized fashion. Here's the two factors of A and B, the scores, their total, their mean, and the sum of squared scores, and also the two independent variables, which is male and female, and the level of income, which is low, medium, and high. Now, the total number of respondents is 30. G is attained by the summation of all totals, like, for example, T row 1 and then T row 2. You can't see it, but it says here it's 75. And when you add them, it's 141. Then, the summation of x squared is 841. Or when you get the total of 34, 127, 199, 244, 190, and 47. Now, moving on to the degrees of freedom, solving for the total is to find the difference of total number of respondents and 1. Between, subtract the number of cells and 1. Within, add degrees of freedom and each treatment in number of respondents minus 1, and then multiply the answer to the number of cells, and then get the DFA by number of rows minus 1, and DFB by number of columns minus 1. DFA times B is the difference of SS between treatments minus DFA and DFB. SS total is to subtract the summation of x squared to the quotient of g squared over a total number of respondents. SS between is summation of total square over n minus g squared over big N. Then, to get the SS within is the summation of SS for each treatment. So here is how we answered SSA or SSB and SSA times B. SSA and B have the same formula, although A is the row while B is the column. SS between treatments minus SSA and SSB is the answer to SSA times B. In the MS within treatments, find the quotient of SS within treatments and DF within treatments. For MSA, they have the same formula as MSB, although you just need to substitute SSA and DFA with SSB and DFB. And then the same goes for MSA times B for relevance. Now, to get the FA, find the quotient of MSA over MS within treatments. And then the same goes for MSB and also MSA times B. They're all the same formula. You just need to substitute them with the relevant data. Now, here's the summary table. So once all computations are done, we organize it to gather the answer for whether each factor is significant or not, in which factor A and interaction is non-significant and factor B is significant, or in our case, the level of income is significant. So for hypothesis testing, the problem is there a significant difference on happiness according to gender among millennials? The null hypothesis will be there is no significance on happiness according to gender, according to the level of income, and the interaction among millennials. And the alternative hypothesis will be there is a significant difference on happiness. Now for factor A, we accepted the null, so therefore there is no significant difference. Now for factor B, we rejected the null, but we accepted the alternative, meaning there is a significant difference in happiness according to the income level among millennials. And for last is the interaction, in which we accepted the null, meaning there is no significant interaction in gender and income level for happiness among millennials. So that is all for our tutorial. Thank you, and I hope you learned something today.